Whether it's a service provider or a customer, everyone wants to know two things. How long will it take to fix? How much will it cost? Your repair shop needs to know how many labor hours it should take to finish a job so you can quote and invoice customers competitively. Your customers want to verify the repair shop isn't overcharging them for repairs. Labor time guides should have the information everyone needs, but most labor time guides are generic and don't provide accurate estimates. Truck Labor Times does all that and more. We took vehicle year, specific engines, and cab configuration into consideration when calculating our labor times. Simply select a major category which lists top-level components, then filter down to the exact component you need a labor time for. Since not every vehicle is created equal, the Truck Labor Time log includes 3 labor times: low, average, and high, so you can quote the most accurate time to your customers. Try Truck Labor Times and all our other tools free for 30 days. Head to repair.diesellaptops.com to get started today.